So today we're going to show you how to make buttermilk pancakes. First thing we're going to do is we're going to combine our flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a large bowl. So here we have our flour, our sugar, our baking powder, our baking soda, and our salt. We're going to mix all those together very well. Okay, so here I've combined my flour, 3 cups of flour, all purpose, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And I mixed these all together. Now we're going to take our 3 cups of buttermilk. We're going to take a 1/2 cup of milk, 3 eggs beaten, and a 1/2 cup of melted butter. We're going to combine those together. So here we have our buttermilk, 3 cups, our 1/2 cup of milk, our 3 beaten eggs, and our 1/3 cup of butter melted. We're going to mix all that together. So we're going to take both mixtures now and we're going to mix them. You want to make sure that you mix it just as you're ready to fry them. So we're going to add our milk, our buttermilk, our eggs, all into that dry mix. What you're going to do is you're just going to kind of go around it with a spatula and just kind of fold this mixture in. You don't want to use a whip to whip it, because you're just going to develop the gluten and it's going to be a tough pancake. So you just want to fold this stuff in, make a nice little lumpy batter out of it. So by folding the batter in, you're creating air inside the batter. You're folding it very lightly till it all comes together. It's going to take a minute or two for you to fold it all in. But you can see the batter looks nice and fluffy. So when we get that all mixed up, we're going to add some oil into a frying pan, a little bit of oil, and we're going to fry up our pancakes on medium heat. Okay, so we mixed up our pancake batter. We're going to add a little bit of oil to our pan. Make sure it gets nicely coated all the way around. So I put a little bit too much oil in the pan, so I removed a little bit of it. You know, probably a couple tablespoons, 2 or 3 would be enough to coat the pan. But if you do, just take some out. So I have some medium heat. I have medium heat here going on. I have my pan getting hot. So how do I know if that pan is hot enough? We're going to take just a drop of batter, and you're just going to drop it in there. You're seeing the batter sizzle, so the pan is nice and hot. So we're going to go ahead and add some ladles of the pancake mix. So here we have our buttermilk pancakes. We flipped them over. They're nice and fluffy and thick, nicely golden brown, and delicious. You want to top them off with some nice melted butter, some whipped cream, some fresh fruit, raspberry, blueberries, strawberries, some whipped cream and a fresh mint leaf, or just have syrup, whatever your choice. Hope you subscribe. Thank you for watching.